So I thought just for a bit of fun I would try and take a tile apart, because this one's just been replaced. I use them on my keys, so I just wanted to see what was in them. So, a bit of a change, so I'm just going to use a pair of scissors or something sharp to try and so there's a button on the top here, a little clicky button, and then a circuit board which is just kind of wedged in. There we go. So this thing here is the little speaker device. That's a little piezo, I should imagine that's a little piezo speaker, that little round thing there. Then it's just got a standard CR2025 battery, which you could easily replace if you could take it apart. A little bit of circuitry. Actually, looks like the battery is actually glued onto the. Yeah, it is. It's got a little sticky pad on here with the battery on it, but that's the front of the circuit board, and then it's the rear. Yeah, there's not much to it really.